With just few minutes of your time, I'll be able to share with you guys how I was able to make $198 from this particular project without a single investment. Every single thing I'm going to explain to you guys right now in this video is a straightforward process that I applied to my own account and I was able to make this amount of money. Now, the first important thing that you need to know is that this is a free earning website, which means you earn free TRX from here without even a single investment, and at the same time you can earn free TRX for each referral you bring to this particular project. Now, I'm going to explain this to you guys. If you do not have referrals, that is 100% free. That is why I'm actually going to share with you guys two opportunities or two easy ways you can help yourself to skyrocket your earning every single day. Now, this is something you need to know. Every single day, as long as you introduce this particular project to every single person that is around you and they get to take their time to play game on this particular website, you earn from it. So let me step down a little bit to break it down for you guys. From this particular website, the main important thing that you need to know is that you have to claim free TRS every single day. As long as you claim free TRS every single day, this accumulates within time, and these free TRS you can easily place withdrawal of them. If you come to my home session and I go over to the withdrawal session right here, you'll notice that over to my withdrawal session, if I scroll down, you're going to notice that I've actually started withdrawing from this particular project in about 12 months back, and my first withdrawal was just like 16 TRS. So I was able to bag over 16 TRS, and within time you will notice how increasing the balance gets from 16, 15, 15, 25, 16, 15, 15. And I can see right here I withdrew over 46 TRX, 30, 60, 67, and it kept on going up. All right. Now, these are balances that I just want to withdraw from this particular project and use to basically like do my daily lives. But I'll share with you guys some interesting tips that you can apply to your own account. These are tips that are going to help you to move your account faster. Now, for the paid tips, I'm going to leave that to the ending of the video. But for the free tips, I'm going to explain that to you guys right now. So, important thing that you need to know about this particular project is that once you claim every single day, you need to basically like share these claims to people, and then it gets to make them to join this particular project. Now, once you introduce people to this particular project with your invite link, they don't need to deposit. All they basically need to do is to play these games, and you aim from the percentage that they're actually playing these games. So that is why I say two applications are needed. Now, you will need a Telegram account, which is very important. Now, over to the Telegram account, you're going to see right here, this is my Telegram account right over here. Telegram also provide the opportunity to post stories. All right, every single time, as long as you post on this particular story, that you get to claim free TRX every single day right here. 2 to 3 people automatically gets to message you. Now, for instance, see my story for today. My story on my Telegram was all about me trading, and if you check right here, this is another story from my second Telegram right here, was my signal which actually gave out. All right, so the story from here, you can notice that these are people that actually viewed my story right here. All right, people that actually clicked on my story to see my story, and this is how you get to introduce people to this kind of project. Now, you can also directly message people that have actually viewed your story from here. All right, and it helps you to gain people. Now, aside this, if you check on my second Telegram account, for instance, if I come down right here and I click on my story, you're going to notice that on this particular Telegram account, you're going to notice that a lot of people actually viewed my story. About 21 people were able to view my story. And if I go ahead and message every single person and say, do you want to try this particular project out, they will basically want to give it a try. Now, I don't have any of these people on my contact, but they view my story because they saw something that they want. Now, this is the first step that you basically need to focus on. Now, the second interesting thing that you can do with your Telegram account is to go to Telegram groups and ask if you can post your link about a free earning site. Since it's not a paid site, you can basically refer as much as you can. Now, the important place that you can basically make use of this kind of project right now is Facebook. If you come to Facebook, over to your Facebook account, you can also post on your story, and aside posting on your story, then you can also check for investment sites. So if you type investment on your Facebook, you're going to notice that there are a lot of investment groups which are provided right here. Share your link right there, or you can basically join and then ask if the admin can approve you to introduce a project to them. Now, you can share your invite link to people, and once you share your invite link to people, you earn referral commissions. Now, The important thing about this is that once people get to join this particular project, they get to earn free TRX every hour. All right. There are section where you can get to earn free TRX every hour, which I'm going to still explain to you guys. And this free TRX you're earning every hour, you basically do not need to pay money for it. So come to the website, for instance. If I come to the home section and I go to the home section right over here, all right. If you scroll down a little bit, you're going to notice that on my home section, this is the level system. I get the iron level, I get the stone level, and I get the bronze level. I have upgraded myself from the stone level to the iron level. From the iron level, now I'm the bronze level. Now, this is the amount of TRS I claim every hour. So every 1 hour, I can come back and claim this amount of TRS, and all I have to do is just to do my human verification right over here. And once you're able to complete your human verification, you can claim the amount of TRS. So after completing my human verification, the next step is for you to basically click on the claim. All right, and you're going to receive the amount of TRS that you currently are on into your own account. So let me click on this, let me do my human verification, and then click on claim. You're going to notice right now that the balance just add up. Now a timer automatically start from here, and then it gets to reload for me in the next 1 hour. Now this is one of the most important thing. As long as you get to upgrade yourself to the bronze level, all right, and you move yourself from the bronze level to the master level. Now the master level gets to give you over 30 TRS every hour. Now if you go over to your Bybit account and you check about 30 TRS every hour, that's equivalent to over $10. Now if you calculate in a day, all right, if you're making $10 every hour, so if for instance I'm generating $10 every hour from this particular project, all right, and these $10 I'm actually making from this particular project, if I'm making it for, let's just say we're using like 20 hours, so $10 times 20, you're making $200 in a day. Just imagine if you get to generate this amount of money from this particular project. A lot of people are struggling so hard to get to this level, but this is how you can bag a lot of money with this particular project. If you are able to move yourself to the master level, you can constantly get to pull out this amount of money without any single stress. A lot of people are pulling out money from here, and that is why I'm introducing this project to you guys. Now, aside this, you can use your affiliate section and make money. Also, they have the contest section. Contest section is basically the most important thing that you need to know. So you see right here, people are getting rewards. So this is a reward of over 15,000 TRX, 8,000 TRX. You can see right here, people are getting rewards, and these are their name and their wager. All right, so you can basically see right here, a lot of people out there are bagging a whole lot of money from this particular project. You can participate in the contest right now. You can see right here, this is the recent contest which is ongoing, and you can see contest started on Monday and it's going to end on Sunday. You can wait for the next contest and then you can automatically begin. So you can see the last week, you can see this week, and that is basically all you have to do is to work very hard with this project and make a whole lot of money from it. Now aside this is basically for those that actually want to use it for free. All right, aside earning free TRS, you can go to the game session and play games. Now games are provided for you every single time. If you come to the dice session, you can play games such as the dice. All you have to basically do is to make sure you cover the red side to cover up your losses. Now if you read through the rules, all right, there are rules which are provided for you right here, and then in fairness you'll get to understand this. All you have to do is just to do that and then input the value amount of TRS you want to use to play this game right on this spot. All right, now I want to use like 2 TRS, and what I'll need to do now is to click on play. And once I click on play, if you land right here, you're going to notice that automatically a balance gets to add up into my balance right here. If you scroll down, you're going to see right here, this is the amount of TRS that I just in for playing that particular game. So you can see the game that I play is dice, and the more you get to play this game, this is how it gets to increase your level. So if you come to the level section, if you come to the home section, you're going to notice right here that this is our wager. All right, a lot of people are using this wager to make good amount of money. And how do they use this wager to make good amount of money? Is by playing game consistently every single day. Now you can be on the safer side with good amount of money on this particular game and make a whole lot of money from here. Now this is going to be particularly for those that have money to put into this particular website. Now if you want to come to the deposit session, you click on the deposit session. This is just going to help you boost your account, skyrocket your account without any single stress. Come to the deposit section, get to click on the wallet address which is provided, copy the wallet address and make a deposit of TRX into your account. And once you make a deposit of TRX, you can see that I have actually made one deposit so far. Once you make deposit of TRX into your account, you can make a deposit of $10 worth of TRX, you can make a deposit of like $20 worth of TRX, any amount. All right, now once you come into your account, you can come over to the game session and play only the dice game every 1 hour. As long as you're playing the dice game every 1 hour, all you have to do is just to come over right here, select this, input the amount of TRX which you currently have in your account. All right, and then once you select the amount of TRX, you click on play and you allow this to load up. Now once it loads up, all right, like I told you guys, every 1 hour, the last time that I played was within here. Now I played again, it was within here. You can actually hit on the right side. All right, but if you get to play this game every 1 hour of every single day, if you set a timer for yourself every 1 hour and you're playing this game, within a short period of time, you are going to be able to move your level as fast as possible. This was something that I applied to my own account, and I was able to move myself from the stone level to the iron level, from the iron level to the bronze level. You can do this and you can start making a whole lot of money. Mind you, it's just about $190, and at the same time you can make over $200 every single day with this particular project. Why not give it a try?